In this video, I'm going to show you how to find PC specs in Windows 11. Knowing your PC specs helps you understand your system's performance, plan upgrades, and troubleshoot issues more effectively. Let's get started. The easiest way to check your basic computer specifications is through the Settings app. First, right-click on the Start menu icon. Then, click on Settings. In the Settings window, select System from the left sidebar. Next, scroll down and click on About. Here, you will see your device specifications, including processor or CPU, installed RAM, system type 32-bit or 64-bit. You'll also find your Windows specifications, such as Windows Edition, version, and OS build number. For example, it may show Windows 11 along with the current build version. If you need more detailed information, like BIOS version, motherboard details, or hardware components, you can use the System Information tool. To do this, click on the search bar and type System Information. Then, click to open it. The System Information window will appear, providing a complete and detailed overview of your computer. And that's it. That's how you can easily check your PC specifications in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.